Sarah pushed the door, tiptoed inside, then shut the door fast behind her. The cupboard's dark. Good place to hide. Nikhil won't find me here, ever. Brother Nix, renowned for some old tricks, began to count loud then steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 100 coming. You ready? In darkness and fear, Sarah stood still while Nick stalked her through the house. Then all at once, loud and most shrill, she heard the soft squeak of a mouse. "Hey!" she screamed and burst out of the door, traveling faster than lightning. There with a smile, spread on the floor, was Nix, who'd done all the frightening.